Namaste viewers and listeners. Myself Dr. Brahmdatt Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Komarbhritya, Shri Sirdi Sai Baba Ayurvedic College, Renwal, Jaipur. Today I am going to talk about treating child's constipation, or we can say Vibandh, with the help of Ayurveda. If you like this video, please click on like and bell button and subscribe my channel for other interesting videos. Let's talk about general introduction. In Amarkosh, there is some references like Bibandati Malasa, Mal Bandh Karke Rog Bhede, and last is Mal Mutra Nirodhascha. So these are described in Amarkosh. It is derived from word V and Bandh, that means to binding of stool. Direct and explicit description of Vibandh as a disease is not found in Ayurveda. It is considered as synonym in most of the Anvaya and Purishvaya Srotas Vikar. Some synonym of Vibandh are Baddha Purish, Ghan Purish, Shushk Purish and Mal Avabaddhata. When we see the contextual reference, the Vibandh is described as Nidan, or we can say cause of Hikka, Shwas, Udavat, Parikartika and Arsh, as Purvarup, or we can say prodromal symptom of Arsh, Parikartika and Shwas, as Roop of Antarveg Jwar, Sannipataj Jwar, Vataj Gulm, Vatodar, Baddh Gudodar, Sahaj Arsh, Vataj Arsh, Vataj Atisar, उदावर्त, आमाशयगत वात, पक्वाशयगत वात, मल आवर्त वात, आना, अर्श, क्षीरालसक, वात दुष्ट स्तन्य, फेन संघात जन स्तन्य एंड कषाय रस प्रधान स्तन्य. एंड इन लास्ट एज ए उपद्रव, और वी कैन से कॉम्प्लिकेशन ऑफ वात व्याधि. Etiological factors of Vibandh are as रस, कटु तिक्त कषाय प्रधान रस, गुण रुक्ष गुरु शीत विदाही अभिषंद एंड शुष्क गुण, अशन लाइक अभोजन, अध्यशन, विषमाशन, असात्म्य भोजन, विरुद्ध आहार, अत्यशन, अल्प भोजन एंड अल्प जलपान. एज आहार पत्र शाक विहीन, विरुद्ध नवशूक, शुष्क शाक, ना भ्रष्ट शाक. In manas factors, shok and bhay, and as vihar, veg sandharan, especially mal and mutra veg and ratri jagran. These are etiological factors of Vibandh. Some prodromal symptoms of Vibandh are Agnimandya, that is indigestion, aruchi, anorexia, clum, fatigue, Adyaman, flatus, antrakujan, borvigmai, the sound that can be heard without the help of stethoscope, arati, dullness. Especially in infants, other features could be rejection of feet, roti, that is excessive cry, uttan avbhanjan, excessive tossing, udar stabdata, reduced peristalsis, shaitya, cold and clammy extremities, mukh swedan, excessive perspiration of face. These are prodromal symptoms. Next is symptoms, or we can say lakshan of Vibandh, especially related to mal, that are vat, varch, apravarti, obstruction of flatus and feces, or we can say this obstipation, mal kathinta, hard stool, shushk grathit mal pravartan, dry pellet like stool, alpa matra mal pravartan, that is less quantity, कष्ट मल प्रवर्तन, डिफिकल्टी वाइल डेफिकेटिंग, सशूल मल प्रवर्तन, पेन वाइल डेफिकेटिंग, कृच्छेन चिरात प्रवृत्ति, एक्सेसिव स्ट्रेनिंग ड्यूरिंग डेफिकेशन. अदर सिम्टम्स लाइक अनुबंध्य लक्षण, अरुचि, एनोरेक्सिया, अजीर्ण, इंडाइजेशन, आटोप, फ्लैटुलेंस, और वी कैन से आद्यमान, उदरशूल, पेन इन एब्डोमन, शिरशूल, Antrakujan, increased intestinal movement, alasya, or we can say laziness, and last is Kati Prastha Vedana, pain in lower back region. Next important thing is samprapti, or we can say pathogenesis. There is two pathway of Vibandh. First one is Nidan Sevan, then Agni Dusti. Due to Agni Dusti there is Am Utpatti and Srota Varod. Result is Apan Vat Vaigunya and Mal Sanchay and production of Vibandh. Next pathway is due to Nidan Sevan there is Vat Prakop and Agni Dusti. Symptoms like Ana, Atop and Adyaman. Result is Apan Vat Vaigunya and there is Ruksh Khar Vradhi in stool and Mal Shushkta and production of Vibandh. Before starting the treatment, we should understand Vibandh versus Coast. Treatment plan depend upon type of individual coast, the alimentary tract of individual. There are three type of coast: Mradu, Madhyam and Krur. In case of Mradu, individuals who have more pith are of mild type of alimentary canal and purgated even with milk. Madhyam coast, those with more cough are medium type, and Krur coast, people with more vat are graded as wild type of alimentary canal. There is difficult to treat them. Now main thing is Ayurvedic management of Vibandh. It is also available on National Health Portal of India by Ministry of Ayush. As we know that prevention is better than cure, so we will discuss prevention here. Consumption of light and easily digestible high fiber diet should be prescribed. Practice regular exercise. Avoid suppression of natural urges like urine and feces. Excess tea, coffee and smoking should be avoided. Intake plenty of fluids and water during a day. Avoid irregular food habits, heavy, unwholesome, excess oily, excess spicy food items, especially bakery and preserved items. Consumption of Godhum, Mudag, old rice, Rason, Hingu, Draksha, Amalak, Haritki, Pipli and Shunti in daily regimen with green leafy vegetables and lukewarm water. And most important thing is avoid using self-medication. In Ayurvedic classics, there is 4 types of laxatives. First one is Anuloman Dravya, that is apprehensions. Drugs help in proper forming of excreta, restoring normal peristaltic movement, break the obstruction and bring them out. Example is Haritiki. Next is Bhedan or purgatives, like it breaks down either constipated fecal matter or the vitiated doshas and expel them out. Example is Katuki. Rechan or cathartic drugs are the stool, whether formed or unformed, it liquefied them and expel from the body. Example is Tibrat. Shramshan drugs, anthracite purgatives are the drugs take no part in digestion but derives down the impacted digested byproducts. Example is Kratmal, Cassia fistula. So these can be used according to condition, according to patients. 3 type of Virechan Dravya are described in Ayurveda: Sukh Virechan, Mradu Virechan and Tiksh Virechan. Easy purgation, mild purgation and strong purgation according to condition. Example of Sukh Virechan is Trivrat, Mradu Virechan is Aragvad and Tiksh Virechan is milk of Snoi. Tiksh Virechan should be avoided in children. Some medicinal plant are described by the Ministry of Ayush like Ashwagol, or we can say Isabgol husk with the dose of 2 to 5 gram with warm water, or hot milk at bedtime. Sonmukti, or we can say Aragvad Cassia fistula, its fruit pulp and churn can be taken 1 to 2 gram with lukewarm water at bedtime. Haritki, or in easy language Harad, Terminalia chebula, in dose of 3 gram with lukewarm water at bedtime should be administered according to condition. Some formulation are also described by Ministry of Ayush on National Health Portal. These are adult dose and should be carefully used in children with lesser dose like Avipattikar churn 5 to 10 gram with lukewarm water, Panchsakar churn, this is strong purgative with lesser dose, Trifla churn, Gandharva Hastadi Kashayam, Kalyanak Gun, Abhyarist Arand Tel with lukewarm water at bedtime only, Kumar Yasav with water, Hingu Trigun Tel with lukewarm water. For Niruvasti, Dashmul Tel and Dashmul Kwat should be used. Hingwastak churn with Takr, Sukumar Grat for Achpan, Chitrakadivati with water, and Keshur Guglu milk should be taken for easily purgation. Next is yogic practices. The following yogic practices are beneficial in constipation. However, these should be performed only under the guidance of qualified Ayurveda practitioner. Yoga like Kurmasan, Vakrasan, Kati Chakrasan, Sarvangasan, Shavasan, Pavan Muktasan, Mandukasan and Vajrasan. Yog Mudra, Surya Namaskar, Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shodhan Pranayam should be performed, and procedure like Shankh Prakshalan in chronic constipation should be prescribed. Diet regimen, or we can say Pathya for the Vibandh, Phal Varg like Matulang, Jambir, Draksha, Shak Varg, Pushp Phal, or we can say it Kushmand, Alabu, Kalind, Harit Varg plant that is used in salad form, ginger juice and rason cures Vibandh, Vadhar Madira, Sovirak, Tushodak, Saur Kanji and Sidhu. Sidhu made of uncooked juice. These are laxative. Savarchal Lavan, or we can say it black salt, is light in digestion. Vibandh is instantaneously cured by administration of Bhallatak, but Bhallatak should not be used in children. Next is Shanshodhan therapy, or we can say Panchkaram therapy. Snehepan, internal oleation, Sukumar Grat with Sandhav Lavan should be used daily for 3 to 7 days before Panchkaram. Then Sarvang Swed for 1 day. Virechan should be performed by Draksha, Aragvad and Haritki. Another preparation is Kutki along with Arand Tel, or only Arand Tel with the help of milk. Basti like Anuvasan Basti with Dashmul Tel, Pippalyadi Tel, and Niru Basti with Dashmul Kwat, honey, Pippalyadi Tel, Sandhav Lavan. Alternately for 8 days, this is called Yog Basti. And last is Phalvarti. These are Ayurvedic suppositories for the constipation. Some products of Arya Vedishala Kotikal like Hingwadi Gulika, Sukhvedi Gulika, Danti Haritki Leham, Sukumar Leham, Punarnava Mandur, Dashmul Panchkoladi Kashaya, Kalyan Char and Gandharv Hastadi oil should be used. Some special references in Kashyap Samhita related to Vibandh. This is described in Arshrup, Baddu Pak Purishottam, Saraktam Va Krashatmana, Gud Nishpidanam Kandu, Tod Arshansi Lakshayet. So there is a symptom Baddu Pakku Purishottam. In case of Ana, there is Vishal Stabda Nayana, Parv Ved Arati Klama, Sa Rudda Mutra Anil Vit Shishu Ana Vedani. So here described Sarudda Mutra Anil Vit. There is condition of obstipation. In Kashyap Samhita Sutristan, giving lukewarm water to treat constipation, the reference is Shul Kaf Anil Trishna Hikka Rochak Vibandh Gulmagnam Vran Dhatu Mradukarnam Deepanam Ushnodaka Upshanti. This is the importance of lukewarm water. Other, the decoction made up of Shanti Poshkar Pippali Vrati Kantakarika Shunti Karkataki Bharangi Duralava Yavanika Shul Ana Vibandhagnam Shantyadya Kaf Vatnut. It is described in Khilistan. Other is Swedan, giving mild Swedan on abdomen, either Pattu Swed or Hastu Swed, will relieve constipation as well as pain in abdomen. In Vasti Chikitsa, Shatava Pippali Kust Vacha Devdaruna Putikasya Harunana Bilvanam Madanasya Shul Ana Bibandhagnam Evam Basti Pradapiyet. So it is described in Kashyap Samhita. Some other references: try to avoid Kashayaras drugs as it causes constipation in Khilistan. Try to avoid dry foods and fried items as it creates constipation. It is also in Khilistan. In last, my view regarding management of constipation: first, we should try mild therapy like diet and lifestyle modification, fibrous diet and fruits with plenty of water, lukewarm water in night and early morning before going to toilet, extra sweetened milk with added ghee in night, munakka or we can say dry grapes, raisin, anjeer, fig with milk at night, and some suppository like oil soaked in cotton then placed in child underwear before going to sleep. Next, we should try mild drugs like Avipattikar Churn, Triphala Churn, Haritaki Churn or we can say Harad, Kumare Abhyarist. In case of less fiber diet, Isabgol husk can be used with milk. If no result or in severe chronic constipation, Panchkarma and other drugs prescribed in previous slides we can use according to condition, according to patient. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please click on like and bell button and subscribe my channel for other interesting videos. If you like online consultation, then go with ayushyam.in for online support.